Here's an interesting app which is called Spotistats for Spotify. It's an amazing app if you like Spotify Wrapped, like, at the end of the year near Christmas, you have like Spotify Wrapped, and then you see all your stats, all your analytics, how you use Spotify, what are your top tracks, top artists, top albums, most listened songs, and all of that. But it's only once per year from Spotify. So here you can have that like every day. You can just open this app, connect your Spotify account, and then you can just see all your top tracks, all your full streaming history, which you can do in Spotify, all your global charts, your top artists, your top albums, and stats for each artist. So here you can see just amazing, analytics and dashboards and all of that. So yeah, let's just go through the app. So here is the app. It will soon be called Stats FM. Because soon it will probably also support Apple Music, so that's cool. Then you can see what you last played on Spotify. You can see your top artists during the past 4 weeks, or you can just modify that during the past 4 weeks, 6 months, lifetime, or some custom period. If you want to upgrade to custom period, you need to upgrade to plus version of this app. But anyways, then you can see your top playlists, recently played on Spotify. So here you can see all the tracks I played until up to 5 days. And then if you want to get full streaming history, again, you need to upgrade. But I didn't know that you can do it because in Spotify, that's basically how it works. Then there are like top charts, top tracks, during last 4 weeks, during last 6 months, or during lifetime. There you have it, something like that. Then you can see all your stats, all your genres, during last 4 weeks, 6 months, or lifetime. Danceable, energetic, instrumental, lively. So this has some of characteristics of my tracks. And then then I can see friend requests. I can invite and add friends here. So if I want to add someone, I can add send friend request like that. And then here is global charts for today. So you can see global charts for today, number of streams. But these are not global charts. I think the data here is a bit not precise because it's only using the data which people who uploaded, like literally imported their Spotify history into this app. So that's not like a big amount of people. So it says they're based on the stats of all Stats FM Plus users who have imported their streaming history. So it's not super precise, but it can give you some trend. And you can go to some song if you like it. You can see audio features, you can see album. Then if you like it, you can open to Spotify. You can even see audio analysis. What is the key here? If you want to see lyrics, you need to upgrade. So something like that. So these are like different options. Like I can also see here what's your popularity. For example, this track, what are the different stats about it, what has artist included, what is the BPM or something like that. So it's kind of interesting app. So that's about it. Then if you're not happy, you can always delete your account from here. Here is your account. You just can create a username. You can check out all the algorithms if you want to change them. And then if you want to upgrade to Spotistats Plus, remove all ads, top 99 instead of top 50 artist tracks, you can check out your top albums. Then you can import your full history. So if you want all of that, you can just upgrade to Spotistats Plus, $3.99 and a one-time purchase. So that's about it. One-time purchase, so it's not like a monthly recurring subscription or yearly subscription, just one-time purchase, and that should be it. So there you have it. For the support, you can go to Discord, Spotistats. There are like almost 5,000 members. You can see all their database. So again, I think this is not like precise Spotify database, but just Stats FM database. But I think it's becoming bigger and bigger. So you can see like 3 million plus users. So something around that. And yeah, so that's the idea basically. Hope that was helpful. Definitely give a try to this app. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my podcast on Spotify, Mr. Hacker. Check out my blog and see you in the next episodes.